Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I've got a couple of pre-built fun lessons that I'd like you to explore. Let me show you how to get there so we can get cracking. The first step, my friends, is to double-click the MT Tools folder, and in there I want you to go to the Journals folder. In that Journals folder, I need you to double-click on today's date. This year it is 5/16. Every year, of course, that date will be the current date. There are two files in here for you to test. The first one I want you to test is called the Bendy Tower. Simply double-click it to launch it. When you launch this file, there is no real wrong or right thing that you can do. I just want you to be amazed at the little Bendy Tower and how it has little supports that can actually hold things. I'm going to just draw a sphere inside and hit play. Let's see if it can hold up that. No, it doesn't hold up anything. Except at the last couple it finally bounced. How weird is that? So I want you to just explore, see how much it can hold, and how many cool things you can do with this interesting Bendy Tower. When you're done exploring the Bendy Tower, I do want you to write a comment in Classroom about what you've figured out, found out, explored, or found interesting with this crazy little Bendy Tower. And then, of course, you can always do undo to bring it back to its full height and try something else with it. There's no limit to what you can experiment with. Just see what you can find out as you mess with the Bendy Tower. The second lesson I want you to explore is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's got soft wheels, which is pretty funky, and it has an amazing set of controls that you can drive through with. When you press space to start it, you can start using the arrow keys. You can find out that left and right are the ways it can go. You want to go smooth so that you don't break your vehicle. You can zoom in so you can get a better look at where it's going. Checking out the soft tires. If you're stuck like I was in that groove, you can simply back up and get more speed as you go forward. See how far you can make it on this crazy path. Maybe even create your own cool mods as you experiment with this nifty Jeep Rubicon. Notice I just wrecked my bumper. Have fun, explore, and then also you can add a comment in this lesson about what your favorite was between these two interesting lessons. If you ever crash, you can use undo to move back to the start. It's a good challenge to see if you can make it all the way to the end. If I zoom all the way out, you can see this is quite a large path that the Jeep Rubicon is trying to conquer. You can also modify it and see if you can make your Jeep a little bit better. But have fun, explore, and see what kind of cool things you can do with this sweet Jeep. Bam. End. Friends, I hope you had fun with this lesson. I hope you learned something, maybe took that design apart, figured out how it was made so that you can create your own soft-tired creations as well. If you did find it useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.